Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to plan a journey in the Waze app. This feature is perfect when you need to schedule a trip in advance and want Waze to notify you about the best time to leave based on traffic conditions. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, look at the upper left corner of your screen where you'll see three horizontal lines. This is your menu icon. Go ahead and tap on it to open the main navigation menu. This menu gives you access to all of Waze's features and settings, including the journey planning tool we'll be using today. From the menu that appears, locate and tap on Plan a Drive. This feature allows you to set up future trips and get real-time notifications about when you should leave to arrive on time. It's especially useful for important appointments or when you want to avoid rush hour traffic. Next, you'll see a plus icon on your screen. Tap on this icon to create a new planned journey. This opens up the planning interface where you can customize all the details of your upcoming trip. Now, in the destination field, input the address where you want to go. Make sure to enter the full address accurately so Waze can calculate the most efficient route and provide accurate travel time estimates. You can type it manually or select from your saved places if you've used this destination before. After entering your destination, take a moment to adjust the from location if needed. Waze typically defaults to your current location, but if you're planning a trip that will start from a different place like your home or office, you can change this here to get more accurate timing. Next, you'll need to adjust the day when you plan to make this journey. Tap on the day selector and choose the specific date you want to travel. This is important because traffic patterns vary significantly from day to day. Then, adjust the time when you plan to leave or need to arrive. Tap on the time selector and set your preferred departure or arrival time. Waze will use this information along with historical traffic data to determine the optimal time for you to start your journey. Once you've configured all these settings, tap Save. This stores your planned journey and activates Waze's monitoring of traffic conditions for your route. After saving, you'll notice a toggle button beside Tell Me When to Leave. Go ahead and tap this toggle to turn it on. When enabled, Waze will send you a notification at the optimal time to leave based on current and predicted traffic conditions, ensuring you arrive at your destination on time, and that's it. You've successfully planned your journey in Waze, and the app will now keep track of traffic conditions and alert you when it's time to hit the road. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.